In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see closed emails in Richpanel. If you've been handling a myriad of customer queries and want to revisit any that have been marked as closed, you're in the right place. We're going to walk through accessing those past interactions so you can review, analyze, or simply refresh your memory about those previous conversations. So, let's dive right in. First, let's navigate to your Richpanel dashboard. If you've logged in, you should already be familiar with this interface. Once you're there, head over to the Help Desk or Inbox section. This is essentially your command center for all customer conversation threads. Think of it as your centralized location for managing all communications. Once here, you'll find it structured in a way to help you easily locate and manage these threads without any fuss. Now, within this area, there's a set of status filters designed to streamline your view. These filters include options like Open, Pending, Closed, and Resolved. They're typically found in a drop-down menu or a sidebar, depending on your interface layout, providing a simple way to switch between different types of tickets or conversations based on their status. To view closed emails, you'll want to look for the Closed or Resolved options. Click on that, and it will adjust the displays accordingly. When you apply these filters, what you're doing is instructing Richpanel to only show you those communications that are no longer active and have been marked as completed. This is an incredibly useful way to keep your screened view neat and focused, especially if you're looking for specifics in a sea of interactions. It's like having a neatly organized filing system, where only the files you want to see are brought to light. Now, it's important to note what closed actually means within Richpanel. Typically, when a conversation is marked as closed, it signifies that no further action is required and the issue has reached a conclusion satisfactory to both you and the customer. It represents a fully resolved state, meaning whatever query or request initiated the conversation has been handled to completion. Understanding this terminology ensures you're looking at tickets that indeed don't need any reopening or additional follow-up, saving time and ensuring focus. So, there you have it. By using the status filters in your Richpanel dashboard, you can easily retrieve and view your closed emails and revisit any completed conversations with ease. It's an efficient process designed to help you stay organized and on top of customer interactions. Whether you're looking to evaluate past resolutions or simply clear up your workflow, accessing closed emails is quick, straightforward, and seamlessly integrated within the Richpanel environment. Keep up the great work and happy sorting!